Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and today I'm gonna teach you the hand hops or hand jumps. That is basically just jumping on one hand. For me, in my case, I use my left arm, but it's up to you. First, you should learn the air freeze or L kick, and you should do the hand hops on the same side as the power freeze or L kick or air, yeah. So, once you know the arm that you're gonna do the hand hops on, you just have to start like a power freeze but bend your knees towards you. So not like this, not with your feet behind, but with your knees close to your chest. The more the knees are close here to your chest, the better the form will be. So, an example. This was the right position because as you saw, my knees was very close here. Again, like that. Practice this position as more as you can until you feel very comfortable on it. When you feel very comfortable on this position, just try one hop. To hop, your arm should be straight. So it's not about the strength of your arm. Many people think that to do many hops you have to be really strong. It's not true. It's all about technique. You just need to move your legs. So it's all about the legs and the knees, not about the strength or anything. So just go in the position and push with your knees up like that. When you push, you don't have just to push and then relax, but you have to push and then come back in the same position as before. So you are like this, push and come back. I show you. Just one hop. Push and come back. You saw? So it's not like that you push and fall, but you should push and come back to the right position. Like that. Practice one hand up many times until you feel very comfortable. Just one, like that. Practice that many times. When you feel very comfortable on doing that, try two hops. So the same. Basically, you just go to the right position, you push, then you return back, and then you push again. Do one hop at a time. Like, you don't have to rush and do two very fast, kind of like that, because you will fail and the form will be horrible. So just think about doing one and doing another one. Like one, not like 1, 2, 3.
Coordination, yeah.
Yeah, so 1, 2, again, 1, 2, okay? Practice this many times. When you can do 2 hand hops like this, very comfortably, you can start practicing many hand hops. You can start with 3, then 4, then 5, and so on, until 10 and more. And that's basically it. I recommend you to practice also on the other side, in my case the right arm. I cannot do it very good, I can just do few, but it's better if you learn on both sides, so it's gonna be better for your control on the arms and also for the power moves like the arm flare or I don't know, the elbow tracks, the combination like the 90s, the hand balance and everything. If you wanna do crazy combos with your hands, you should practice on both sides, not just one side. And that's it for the tutorial. Make sure to check out my merch, link in the description. Thanks to Rose Punch who is filming me, his Instagram in the description. All the links in the description also to see more tutorials, and see you with the next episode. Yo, ninjas!